welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with Nadula here. Now guys, before we go any further, I actually recorded this portion before I actually did the rest of what you're about to see in this video, but I don't know what happened. Once I went to editing the video, I realized that I did not have this clip where I actually unboxed the wig that I'm about to show you in this video today from Nadula here. So all those footages got lost, but nonetheless I'm still trying my best. I'm going to give you all the initial specifications of the wig that I'm about to show you so we can move forward into the video. I apologize for that, and I'll be sure to also link all the necessary details of this wig in the description box as well. I just happen to have the box left over, but everything else is used. All I got in this package today, I believe it's a wig cap, extra comb and brush for your edges, and I believe I got a headband. The wig that I am going to install today is the TL412 curly wig, lace front wig that is. Yeah, this wig is actually 24 inches long. I believe the density is 150, but it does feel like more than 150, and I'm still going to be sure to put all the specifications down below in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into installing the wig. You'll see everything there. It came with 3 combs on the inside of the cap, adjustable straps, the whole works. You know that standard lace front wig look. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this installation. I only did this to have more control when I'm gonna glue down the front here. So I'm using my Kiss Almighty Bond lace front wig glue. Up cutting away the excess because it got all dry. Sorry that part didn't get to be recorded, but I do have a very detailed ball cap method tutorial, so you guys can check that out. What I'm applying right now is face powder to the very front here, and you see how nicely that's blended. I added 2 caps just for security. I really wanted this first one to hold my natural hair back. Cause
those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky. Stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I can't give up this feeling.
I'm just gonna move on to making my little edges, my soups. Oh, by the way, I do have on clothes just in case, but yeah, it's melted so nicely.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this.
I'm gonna just use my hot comb. I'm loving how it melted. Looks good. I use a hot comb to get it really lit.
That I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you. Now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky.
Apply some conditioner. I got it damp and stuff, so and I have a little bit of my Naked at Home Glow finishing gloss serum, and this adds a very beautiful sheen, so that's what I'm going to apply and just brush it out.
And lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this install. I absolutely love it. It melted quite nicely. I just did my 2 swoops as usual. The only thing, it's a medium cap size, but it felt a little small. If you want to be safe, you could go ahead and get like a large cap size. And I did get a little bit of shedding as I showed you guys as I brushed it out, but that's kind of expected, but I'm not making an excuse for it. But yeah, I got a little bit of shedding. The color is really pretty. I love the streak, and I'm happy that I could get a curly wig that's highlighted, because it's not every day you get a colored curly wig, so that's nice. I guess they stay away from it because they don't want to really disrupt the curl pattern, but it looks pretty nice. It's nice. It's a nice juicy curly vibe, and it should stay with this look because I applied conditioner, so it shouldn't get as poofy too quickly. It will eventually because I didn't put that much, but yeah, those are my thoughts on this. And I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in the description box, as well as the direct link if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Nadula hair, this wig is gorgeous, and thank you again. So yeah, that is it for today's wig look. Guys, go ahead and jump over to PETITE-SUE TV because I'm going to be vlogging my weekend mega vlog as usual. Not every week when I get a vlog, so go ahead and check out PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, so just go and stay tuned, go and big up on yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.